How to make an Aquarius man fall in love with Virgo woman. Understanding how to make an Aquarius man fall in love with Virgo woman requires insight into their unique personalities. Aquarius men are independent, intellectual, and value freedom, while Virgo women are practical, detail-oriented, and grounded. Despite their differences, a strong connection is possible with the right approach. Get a man hooked on you. Discover what men secretly want and become his secret obsession. Click the link below in the description to learn more. Here are 10 straightforward tips to help a Virgo woman win the heart of an Aquarius man. 1. Stimulate his mind, engage him in meaningful conversations. Aquarius men love intellectual discussions and innovative ideas. 2. Be genuine, show your true self. Aquarius men respect honesty and can sense insincerity from afar. 3. Give him space, respect his need for independence. Don't crowd him or demand too much attention. 4. Show kindness. Aquarius men appreciate compassion, especially when it's sincere and not forced. 5. Share his passions, get involved in causes or hobbies he cares about to build a deeper bond. 6. Balance logic and emotion, use your practical nature but also express feelings to connect on a deeper level. 7. Be patient. Aquarius men may take time to open up. Gentle, consistent effort wins his trust. 8. Encourage growth, support his ideas and be open to exploring new interests together. 9. Communicate openly, create a safe space for honest conversations without judgment. 10. Celebrate differences, appreciate your unique traits and allow your individuality to shine within the relationship. By applying these 10 tips, a Virgo woman can attract and maintain the affection of an Aquarius man, creating a bond based on respect, understanding, and genuine connection. Do you want to get him chasing you like crazy? Discover what men secretly want and make him want you forever. Click the link below in the description to learn more. Thanks for watching. Please like, comment and share this video.